So I took the wheel off and pulled back the fender liner a little bit right here. Just makes it easier to access all the parts that I need to. There's a little 7mm screw underneath here, and it can be kind of cumbersome to get to, but I'm gonna remove that, pull this bumper back a little bit, and inside here there will be a plastic receiver. I'm gonna remove that, modify that, so that we can get on with the show here. Alright, 7mm screw. Here we will pop the fender back off. And you see we'll have access to this plastic receiver. I'll remove this, take this out, modify that. So in there's a rectangular hole, and we are going to use that area there, and I might even drill that out a little bit, but essentially this is what we're looking at. And here we have our bracket here. What I'm going to do is cut out this whole space here so that I can have some area to mount exactly like how I want it to be. So what I've done is made some general marks here using blue tape. The spot that they recommend is not where I want it, so I'm just going to custom make a spot like I always do. And so here it is. And the thought process here is that so it would be equidistant between the surface here. So what we're going to do, start drilling. Okay, so I installed our ball pin bit or screw, and then I made a little indent, and then I marked it here. What I'm going to do is drill a pilot hole and enlarge it with a step drill bit. Pro tip, mark it with some tape. So again, a little bit of a gap there. It's nothing like the hood gap, but if you're OCD, you might notice it. I mean, I notice it, but at the same time, I'm willing to accept that so that I can have that. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.